Well, hello, folks. Happy Success Friday to everybody that is watching the video. Hey, folks, before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I want you to go ahead and, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. I upload videos that inspire, to uplift, and to encourage, and to show people how to earn extra income from their home and to get their mindset to where it needs to be. It's so exciting, folks, to be able to share this information with people. And guys, if you like these videos, when you view them, make sure you hit the like button. That's a house rule. When you come look at a video, guys, all my valued subscribers, guys, I need you to hit the like button. I would really appreciate that and go from there. And we'll keep uploading great content for you. And hopefully we find value in this content. And that is exciting. Hey guys, if you are looking for a work at home opportunity, we have some for you, several of them. They're absolutely exploding, and we are getting ready to get started with something big. Work at home, folks, has never been this good. I'm telling you what, creating the income, the lifestyle, go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay where you want to stay, for as long as you want to. Folks, that is incredible to me, and you can do it. And all you do is put things in action, put things in place, and then you go, and you do it over and over and over again. Folks, money can and will come in over and over and over again. Income disclaimer, folks, nothing happens until you take action. When you find a proven plan, folks, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You plug in and you play. You plug and play. Just like a Vanderbilt. You can be a Vanderbilt. You can be a Morgan. This is your opportunity to be a Chase. Your opportunity to be a Rockefeller. This is your opportunity to create wealth beyond your wildest imaginations, folks. That's what I like about these work at home businesses. Folks, I'm talking if you can follow a few action steps, remain consistent, folks, I'm talking about job replacing income. And not only that, not only job replacing income, but income that you can earn more in one day than the average person earns on their job in 1 week. Folks, that is amazing to me. That is amazing about what systems, email follow-up, having the right systems in place can do for you. And that's exciting. Folks, we've got some packages that have came in the mail today. And I wanted to show you some things that we've got going on, of course, with these programs. And they continue to get bigger and stronger each and every day, each and every week. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer is just exciting to see the results that we're experiencing. And folks, we're just getting started. We're just getting started, folks, as to where we're trying to go with this program. I believe this program will be great for the next 15, 20 years. Reverend Wilson said it could last 20 more years. And folks, what if we could put 500,000 people in this program? We keep improving, adding, evolving, making better the process to service our members, to add value, to add products, services, education, not only to help you in the Millionaire Mailer, but in every aspect of your life. We want to be able to be in a position to cause you to be inspired beyond your wildest imagination in every area of your life. And when you do that, folks, the sky can be the limit as to what you can do, as to what you can have, what you can achieve. And when you put a little bit of faith into it, calling those things that be not so as though they already were, it could happen for you. You can manifest things in your life. The universe will begin to cause things to be attracted to you. You will attract the right mindset. You will attract the right people. You will attract the right environments. Folks, you will be a part of money-making opportunities. Folks, that is exciting to me. To live a life with all the free time in the world and a life without stress where your money problems can be over. Folks, is it possible in today's society? Yes, it is absolutely possible to create $100 a day, $200 a day, and upwards, folks. Many folks are making way more than that per day. And it is exciting. And to be able to create the lifestyle that you remain consistent when you see results, when you don't see results. You just persevere. Because when you put enough of it out there, folks, when you mail enough postcards, enough letters, you put enough work in, you put enough post in on your on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, whatever social media platform, or you mail enough postcards, you mail enough flyers, folks, the law of averages, the law of numbers will be on your side, and you will begin to reap a harvest because of the seeds that you planted. When you plant seeds, folks, you will reap a harvest. It may not come tomorrow. The seed that you plant may not come up the next 2 days. But the seeds, as you begin to plant them into good areas of life, they will sprout up into a bountiful harvest. Folks, you can today put yourself in a position to have more than you ever need in your life by putting yourself in the right vehicles, in the right systems, in the right opportunities, partnering with the right people, folks. It is exciting, folks, to find proven systems that are already working, plug and play systems, don't have anything to figure out. You just plug in, you play, follow the concept, and win. Folks, today we built the system. We've got a system in front of you. And we furnished gas to get you started. All you do is jump in and go. The system's been built, it's been tested, it's been proven to work. All you do is plug in and go. We have websites, we have email follow-up, capture pages, and all of this good stuff to show you how to win. And folks, stay tuned until the end of this video. I'm going to be in this video for about 12 more minutes, hopefully no more than 15. I've got some exciting information to share with you towards the end of this video. But before we go there, let's just share, guys, what just a couple of these payments that came in today into TNCL Marketing. We've got some payments that come in. Let's get it open up. Some of our members are constantly making sales in the program. This is the Millionaire Mailer. Looks like the Millionaire Mailer 2. Somebody sent this in. Millionaire Mailer 2. We're going to cover up the personal information, folks. We've got a check here. Millionaire Mailer 2. Payment came in. A big welcome to Mr. Bob. Bob's in the program. And congratulations to our members that are making the sales in this great system. We're going to rush them a marketing kit so they can get started mailing. And that's powerful, guys. It's absolutely powerful to see people win daily into these programs. If you can mail a flyer or postcard with these programs, and guys, we've got so many talented leaders in this program, so many leaders and people that know the way, people that market systems and know how systems work. So exciting. And we're just getting started as to where we're trying to go. This program has been around for some years now, and we feel that it's the best direct mail program, bar none, today. We feel it's the best. Now, everybody could feel that their program's the best, but we feel that ours is the best, or close to it. We're in the top 2 or 3 best in the country today, bar none. Folks, this is the big ticket Millionaire Mailer number 4, the big 250. And people do send in cash payments, guys. They sent in the cash payments. Super exciting, guys, to see our members win in the Millionaire Mailer number 4. Congratulations to our members there. We've got more payments coming here. This is priority mail. Well, I should have ripped it, guys, so you can hear the noise. All right. Got it in the envelope here. All right. We've got a Millionaire Mailer number 3. Millionaire Mailer number 3, guys, at the $100 level. And we've got a $100 money order. Absolutely powerful. So, guys, you're looking today, the receipts with the Millionaire Mailer. A quick $400. Somebody sending money to get some leads. A quick $450 day. Now, folks, that is exciting. A $450 day. And we didn't even realize these payments were coming in today. Folks, that is incredible. Not even count some other programs that we're running with the Instant Postcard Wealth, folks. We receive 2 of those a day. But for the time of the video, we're just going to show proof of these today. I got so much proof on this channel of Instant Postcard Wealth. Want to post that proof of Millionaire Mailer, $450 a day, just the Millionaire Mailer, folks, alone. If you haven't started, guys, we'd encourage you to get back with the person who referred you to the program. Let them know that you're in and that you're ready to get started. Now, folks, if you can, again, mail a flyer in these simple programs, as we get these flyers ready to go to our secretary, we mail them out priority mail. If you come in like Millionaire Mailer 3 or higher, we mail them all back priority mail, because we want our members to get started pretty quickly mailing these flyers and postcards. This is exciting. Now, guys, when you create this kind of lifestyle, you can be able to go where you want to go. Again, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay, and don't worry about an alarm clock. Folks, the alarm clock, when you work from the comfort of your home, you can become your alarm clock. I mean, you get up when you want to get up. And that is incredible. Now, guys, I tell people all the time, guys, don't run out tomorrow and quit your job. But I do tell people, think long term, short term and long term, and begin to think outside the box. That we need to be putting ourselves in a position that we're not the remainder of our lives spending our lives trading time for money, but allow money to work for us. Systems, postcards, email follow-up, YouTube videos, Facebook posts, Twitter, Snapchat. Let all these systems follow up for us, work for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That while you're on the beaches of the world, these things are working for you. Folks, that is incredible. And now there are some people that are on jobs and they love their job. And folks, that is great. That's wonderful. I think if you find an occupation, guys, and you love it, do this on the side in addition to your job. Very powerful, guys. Very powerful. And that's what I'm excited about. I'm excited about the opportunities of people winning, increasing their wealth on a daily basis. So I write these things up. They're going out to our secretary. I'm putting special notes on them so that we'll know these people are going to win, and they're going to win big in these programs. Super excited about what all we're doing and what all is going on. Now, guys, as I go towards the end of this video, I did want to share with you some information concerning the Millionaire Mailer. Let me see. Some information concerning the Millionaire Mailer training. Folks, we're going to have, if you're listening to this video now, tomorrow, which is Saturday, September the 7th, we're going to have a training workshop. Workshop's going to be starting at 1 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern. If you can get on it, dial into the regular conference call number. We're going to share tips and strategies. But before we do that, guys, I want to direct your attention, guys, to one of our members that did one of our leaders that did an outstanding training series over the last few days. I was blown away with the value, the training that was offered in these videos. And I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. Now, guys, some of the programs, I'm going to list those programs on another video, but not on this one. But just to tell you, some of the programs, I know we're all entrepreneurs, and we're involved with several income-making opportunities at all time. Not putting all our eggs in one basket, but being diversified. That's what they teach us in life, to have diversification, have a diversified portfolio, and be diversified in every area of your life. So I market several opportunities, with the Millionaire Mailer being the number one money-making, number one opportunity that I market, that I am impressed with. The number one. I'm impressed with everything that I market, because I wouldn't market if I wasn't impressed with it. But the Millionaire Mailer is the household number one opportunity that I strive for. There'll be some days, guys, that I won't talk about the Millionaire Mailer on the channel. I will talk about some of the other opportunities. But as you know, as I go through my videos, I talk about every opportunity that I'm in over and over and over again, and add value, add more training, more purpose. And if I get anything new, I talk about it. But basically, I share these opportunities on different days, and depending on what comes in, what training that I feel that we need to get out there, and we share these opportunities. Number one opportunity is Millionaire Mailer. Number two that I'm in Share the Number. It's a great program. I'm not going to go in detail about it. I'm in Digital Income System. I've received several checks from them. Exciting. I'm in the instant cash solution. Very exciting. Rich Meyer out there. And big shout out to Rich in California and to all the members of that program. I'm in Devon's program over in Atlanta down there. I'm in the 12-minute affiliate program. Phenomenal program. I'm so excited about it. ClickBank commissions. If you want ClickBank commissions, JVZoo, if you want to partner with those particular platforms, I'm into that. I'm excited about that. And I have these postcard programs, Eric Pantalon's programs, Way Too Money Publications, the Profit Max Formula postcard. Folks, that thing's exploding. There's so many of you are coming into this thing over the next few weeks. It's not even funny. If you have not reached out to me and got that Profit Max formula sent to your email, get it now, guys. Get in position. You start mailing that postcard. You can, notice I said you can, receive unlimited $500 payments. One sign up, folks. One person will make you $500 in the Profit Max formula. Get that postcard, guys. My email will be below if you want a copy of it. Franklin Wealth System, great program, $50 cash blaster. Those are my main programs that I'm marketing right now that I'm totally stoked and excited about. So guys, very, very exciting. Now, guys, let me go over here to another channel. I want y'all to look at this channel. This is retiremarybeth.com. Mary Beth is one of our leaders in the Millionaire Mailer. She is a direct mail professional. Super, super excited and privileged to have her along our team. She markets several opportunities, guys. She did a training on how to be successful with direct mail marketing. When you get a chance, guys, go over to Mary Beth channel. These videos are, I would classify them as life-changing. They are absolutely incredible. I've looked at what Mary Beth has shared with us over the years, and I'm telling you what, she's just absolutely outdone herself in these videos. I am so carried away with the value. And Mary Beth she tells you about some of the opportunities, but she wants people to win in whatever they're marketing, whatever opportunity they're in. And that's what's so exciting. So guys, when you get a chance, and I'll leave the link to Mary Beth's channel up under this video, go over there, watch these videos, how to have success with direct mail part 1, part 2, how to have success with direct mail marketing, and part 3. There are some golden nuggets in there, guys. I can't go over everything she said because it was so much value. And re-listen that she's calling names. She's giving lead resources. She's giving strategies. She's telling you what she's doing, when she's doing, how she's doing it. And folks, when you do that, what successful people do, folks, you can win. I am excited, folks, to bring you this video talking about the Millionaire Mailer. When you sign up the Millionaire Mailer, guys, you're going to get a website that looks like this, guys. When you get the Millionaire Mailer 3 or higher, and all the proof that I just shared with you guys, you can utilize all this proof here that the program absolutely works over and over and over again. And we're going to help the lives, guys. We're going to, I keep saying, what if we could put 500,000 people in this program over the next few years? It's possible. So we want to create value, guys. It's not just about the Millionaire Mailer, but it's about attitude. It's about products, services. It's about creating a mindset, making you an entrepreneur. Guys, our product, let me talk about our product. It's going to be leads. We're going to send you leads to get you started. Direct mail leads opportunity. We're going to send you to get you started. And we're going to show you how to get some more of those in the marketing kit. The marketing kit's going to be your product also. In the marketing kit, this physical product that we're going to mail to your home is going to have detailed leads. It's going to have print mail resources. It's going to have a report. There is so much value here, folks, in this product package that you get when these product levels. Folks, I'm excited to bring this video. Again, house rule, like the video, guys. Like the video. Share the video. Share it. Pass it along. Let's get the training out there. Let's get the information out there, guys, and start winning. Start winning in the Millionaire Mailer, and we'll be excited. Guys, have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Bye for now. Until the next video.